major brand sale to Travis Kelce's marketing boost. This is the week in numbers. $4.6 billion is the price Gucci owner Kering has agreed on to sell its beauty business to L'Oreal. It's a major shift in strategy by new CEO Luca Di Maio in a bid to tackle the luxury group's high debt and to refocus on its core fashion business. Under the new deal, beauty giant L'Oreal will acquire Kering's fragrance line, Creed. Almost 10% is the amount Intel stocks hiked early Friday after the company beat estimates for its Q3 earnings. Net income came in at $4.1 billion, compared to a $16.6 billion loss the same time last year. The silicon giant's shares have hiked 90% this year, and this marks the first earnings announcement after multi-billion-dollar investments from Nvidia and SoftBank, as well as an unprecedented US government stake. Around 5% was how much oil prices surged early Thursday. Markets reacted after the US put sanctions on leading Russian suppliers, Rosneft and Lukoil, over the Ukraine war. One analyst said this means refineries in China and India, both major buyers of Russian oil, will need to find other suppliers or risk exclusion from the Western banking system. The US said it was prepared to take further action as it called on Moscow to agree to a ceasefire in Ukraine. Over a third was how much Volvo Cars shares soared on Thursday. Investors bought up after the automaker announced it beat Q3 profit forecasts. Sweeping cost cuts have delivered faster than expected results. That's despite Volvo being one of the European car makers most exposed to US tariffs. 20% is the figure Six Flags shares have climbed by this week as the company faces shareholder pressure. Activist investor Jana Partners has teamed up with football star Travis Kelce to push the company to improve its marketing and customer experiences after disclosing a 9% stake. Kelce is a star tight end for the NFL's Kansas City Chiefs and podcast host who recently got engaged to singer Taylor Swift.